welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Emily. I'm home from work and I got a package from T-Angle, I think that's what it is, for some matcha. I'm excited to try this. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff. Okay, ooh, they gave a nice little spoon. Wow, I actually really like this spoon. Wow, look at just how nice this is in here. Oh, and they have give me a little card. Shining through your content, you go girl. Are you ready to taste the magic? Oh my goodness, that's so sweet. Yes, I'm ready to taste the magic. What is this? Oh, so this is their matcha bottle. So this is the one that you just shake it all in. So that is exciting. I like how it's blue. You know my aesthetic. You know my color. Points for that. I like that. Nice. All right. Very nice, very nice. Oh, and then there's another tumbler with a straw. Good to know. Matcha waiting for. I like it. There's matcha peppermint, which is exciting. So that one looks really good. So drinking the peppermint one can help you burn fat, increase energy, and reduce bloating. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna try this one. This looks great. This is the matcha chai. It's about 5 o'clock now, so I'm not gonna have any of these because they do have caffeine and I need to go to bed at a certain hour. But the chai one reduces stress, increases energy, and improves concentration. So maybe I'll try that before going to work tomorrow and make myself a nice hot matcha. Is the matcha ginger and lemongrass. This one burn fat, increase energy, and reduces bloating. This is the ceremonial. I'm assuming this is like the original one, but increases energy, reduces stress, and burns fat. Oh, I'm excited. I'm really excited about the chai one. This year I've really gotten into chai tea lattes and just chai tea. So I'm gonna try this one tomorrow morning before going to work. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, T-Angle, for sending these over, these matchas. I'm excited to try them, and I guess I'll just let you know tomorrow. I'll film it, what I think of it. So yeah. Oh my goodness. She just woke up from her nap and she's obsessed with this toy, which she only plays in my room. Do you want it? And she just wants me to throw it. She's like a little doggy. Yeah, also that matcha yesterday, so good. I didn't stir it as much as you should have. That's why, like, you're supposed to use the shaker thing, and I didn't. I used the whisk to like froth my milk, and then I just poured it in and stirred it together, and I'm like, I probably should have used the whisk in the matcha. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'll remember that for later. But I just did a tan this morning out of my shower, so I'm feeling very tan. I'm gonna go shoot some Instagram photos later after work and all that stuff. I put the the Isles of Paradise tanning drops in my sunscreen today, and I'm looking pretty good. I didn't really want to put on a full face of makeup. I put on some eye makeup, did my brows and a lip, and I am really impressed by how like tanning drops are just like making me look fresh. Also, sorry, I did lie. I put on a little bit of concealer for my spots, but whatever. I just wanted to come on here quickly because I got a package. Super exciting. I did open it, but I wanted to share it with you guys. So Keratin Hair Care Stuff reached out about a month ago, and their products finally came. They sent me some of their stuff from their line, and I wanted to share it with you. I haven't tried anything out. Actually, I haven't even smelt them yet. I should probably do that. Anyone else just like super picky on like how their products smell and stuff like that? Anyway, so they sent over their purple shampoo and conditioner with a purple mask, so I'm excited about that. I'm on day 3 of washing my hair. It's kind of greasy, but I feel like some dry shampoo today would be... Actually, maybe I can go another day without dry shampoo. Not really. Actually, no, if I'm taking Instagram photos, I should probably do that. But I'm trying to train it for summer because last summer I was so proud of my hair of only washing it once a week. Like I literally only washed my hair on Fridays. It was perfect. So anyway, so I'm really proud of that and I'd like to keep it up. I'm waiting for this whole 4th lockdown thing to go away so I can actually get my hair done. Brendan got me a gift card for my birthday last year. Was it last year or the year before? It was the year before. 2 years ago, he got me a gift card to get my hair done and I haven't used it. I just cut my own hair, but when he got me that, I was like, oh, I should probably go do it, but just haven't had the time. But now I really want to, like, I don't know, give myself some layers. I want to get some, like, curtain bangs. Just want to spruce up my hair. So, anyway, that was the whole long tangent I didn't need to go into, but yeah. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, whoa. Okay, that smells really good. I was not expecting it to smell good, not gonna lie, because it is a coconut oil, grape extract, and provitamin B5. This one is mango butter, avocado oil, and sage extract. So like, I don't know if this will smell good or not. Okay, never mind. That smells so good. Or forget what I was saying before. I want to wash my hair now. Okay, anyway, so that's actually really good. I'll keep you updated to see how I like it, like what my hair is and all that stuff. They also sent over their volumizing mousse and their root volumizer. I don't know how to say this, but it's sweet orange oil, aloe vera, and pathanol? Pathanol? I don't know. But it's no parabens or sulfates, no sodium chloride, silicone free, and promotes thicker hair. So, excited about that. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like a creamsicle. Or even those like, what were they? The little Tootsie Rolls you get at Halloween, like the orange Tootsie Rolls or the lime ones. Cool, and you can use it before you blow dry. Oh, and they're not tested on animals. That's good. So yeah, okay, so thank you so much, Keratin, for sending those over. I'm really excited to try these out. And also, I'll leave all the information down below, and I think they sent me a discount code, so I'll leave it in the description. But yeah, that's super exciting. I'm actually really impressed by the smell. I'm always like so picky with smell. But anyway, so I'm gonna put that in here, save that for later, take it upstairs so I can use it when I shower. I don't really know what else to film. I can't go anywhere. I'm gonna go take some Instagram photos later and all that stuff, but that's kind of boring. Like, it's just me and a tripod, and then I change into outfits, and then I take more photos, and I change into another outfit, take photos on my tripod, and then leave. That's about it. But yeah, it is Friday though, so it is the weekend. Super exciting. It snowed earlier, which is just gross. But now it's a beautiful sunny day, like nothing ever happened, which I just don't understand. Welcome to Canada. In the morning it's a blizzard, and by middle of the afternoon it is a bright and sunny day, and it's like 16 degrees. So anyway, I'm just gonna end it here because honestly I don't know what else to talk about or show. I'm really sorry. Basically tonight I'm gonna have dinner and then watch The Crown. I'm rewatching it now after watching Prince Philip's funeral. I just rewatch it now. It's so good. So yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!